How to log in with Discord token. Go to Discord's website and press the F12 key on your keyboard. This will open up a special set of tools in your web browser. Look for a tab or option labeled Application in the Developer Tools window. Click on it. In the Application section, there should be a category called Local Storage. Click on that. You'll see a list of websites that store data locally. Find and click on discord.com in that list. Once you've clicked on discord.com, you'll see a table with two columns, key and value. In the key column, find an empty row and click on it. Type token, with quotes, as the key in that empty row. Now, click on the row next to the token key in the value column. This is where you'll enter your Discord token. Paste your Discord token into the box. Make sure it's surrounded by quotation marks. Press Enter on your keyboard to save the token. Finally, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Congratulations! You've successfully logged in using your Discord token. You should now have access to your Discord account. And there you have it. Logging in with a Discord token is that easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful and helpful videos. Thank you for tuning into How to Mastery. Until next time, happy learning.